medium is going to be 25 by 21 by 8. The medium is designed for a 30-pound or less dog or cat, and the small is designed for a 15-pound or less dog or cat. And then it does come in that larger size, which is going to be a 30 by 24 by 8 for breeds that I would say probably up to 40 or 50 pounds. But you're not going to be able to comfortably fit a Great Dane in one of these. It says, at Bedshore, we believe that pets deserve the same level of care as humans, and we are devoted to providing comfortable homeware that caters to pets of all ages, species, and more. So, again, smaller breed dogs and cats, but we also have a really nice option for your larger breed dogs. So, let me just pull it up here. So, this is the Bedshore Extra Large Orthopedic Dog Bed. Again, it is an absolute favorite. Admittedly, I do not have dogs in my home, but my kids love this thing. So we pull it out so that they can watch TV. They make forts out of them. They do all kinds of different things. If you can't tell, I have boys, so forts are a big thing in our house. So this is the Bedshore Extra Large Orthopedic Dog Bed with removable cover. A huge range of sizes, anywhere from 20... it's got a 20, a 24, a 30, 35, 36, 41, 44, and 54 length options. So choose your size accordingly.